Hello everyone, Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. In this tutorial, I want to show you how I created the blur transition just as you see. So let's begin. These are the two clips on my timeline which I used in creating that blur transition. So the first thing we need to do now is create an adjustment layer. Come to your project panel and click on the new item and select adjustment layer. It will take the timeline setting, click on OK and drag the adjustment layer and place on top of the two clips that is on your timeline. Ensure that the timeline slider is at the middle of the two clips. Make sure you trim the adjustment layer to be relatively equal on both sides. This is it. Then select your adjustment layer, come to your effects and search for Gaussian blur. Pick your Gaussian blur and place on the adjustment layer. Ensure that the adjustment layer is selected. Come to your effects, control. Enable your keyframe for blurriness and set it to 150. And click enter. You see it becomes blurred. Then you click on the repeat edge pieces to remove the black border. Come back a bit and set it to 0. Then go forward a bit on the other side and set it to 0 as well. Then after that you play. This is what you get. So to avoid the jump cut at the middle of the two clips, you come to your effects and search for cross dissolve video transition and you select your cross dissolve. Place it in between the two clips and shorten it so that it now have a smooth transition. I hope this tutorial helped. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. And if you have any question, ask on the comment section. I will do well to respond to every question that is being asked. And if I have a reasonable number of questions pertaining to a particular tutorial, I am assuring you that I'm going to create such a tutorial. Once again, I want to appreciate you all for watching our tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumb up, share with your friend and encourage them to subscribe so that this will enable me to keep doing more tutorials and it will help me a long way to know that you guys are appreciating all I am doing on this channel. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.